As we know, evil Dr. Musticore's past crimes include stealing the moon, stealing the Mona Lisa, and Nicolas Cage's national treasure.
We've gotten word that the evil Dr. Musticore will be using her poisonous lusty solution at the upcoming Sangeet.
We have now arrived at the Sangeet. As you can see, there's still just a few people here as it has just started, but we know that evil Dr. Musticore's plan is to take action when the people in the room are at its greatest. So now...
Okay, so the problem here would be that the evil Dr. Musticore is hiding amongst the crowd at the Sangeet. She will only take action with her special lusty solution when the people in the room reach the maximum amount for the night. Given that the people enter the hall at a constant rate of 8 people per minute, and people leave at a rate of the square root of x squared plus 1 people per minute for the interval from 0 to 180 minutes, at the time x equals 0, the hall contains about 60 people. At what time x for the interval from 0 to 180 is the amount of people in the room at a maximum. So first you're going to want to find the first equation, which I called A of t. And first you have to, this would be the number of people in the room at x equals 0, which is 60. And then you want to do the integral from 0 to x, a time, the integral time. And then you want to do the rate of how many people are coming in is 8, minus the number of people that leave, which is the square root of x squared plus 1, and then dx. It can also be written as 60 plus 8x, which take out, minus the integral from 0 to x of the square root of x squared plus 1 dx. And then, because you want to find the maximum amount, you have to take the derivative because it's an extreme value, so you have to take the derivative and find where it's equal to 0. So if you take the derivative of, let's do this equation, it's a little bit easier. If you take the derivative of that, it would be 8, because this 60, the derivative of 60 is just 0, derivative of 8x is 8, and then you minus, and the derivative of the integral is just what's inside, so the square root of x squared plus 1. And then you set that equal to 0, so 0 is equal to 8 minus the square root of x squared plus 1, and this happens when x is equal to the square root of 63. So here I'll explain it a little bit more. A prime of t is positive on the interval from 0 to the square root of 63, and it is negative from the square root of 63 to 180. Therefore, there's a maximum at square root of 63, which is 7.94 minutes. So at the 7.94 minute mark is when the evil Dr. Musticore will take action with her special lusty solution.
An arranged marriage, but आप दोनों को देखकर it feels like you were born to be together. इन दोनों के लिए
In the bathroom? Everybody stop! Make a left turn! You have the right to remain silent! You freeze! 303,000 felonious thistles. Handcuffs, 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 handcuffs! Freeze! Ooh. Down on the ground, fugitive of the law. Handcuffs, 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 handcuffs. Those are just my warm-up.
पुदीना देगा नाका नागिना देगा चिकनी चमेली देखी चिकना कमीना देगा चांदनी चिडर होके चीट किया तो सारे तारे बोले गिली गिली अक्खा मेरी बात तेरी बात ज्यादा बातें बुरी बात थाली में कटोरा लेकर आलू भात